Hi, welcome back to our series about work from home job boards. I'm Ann Novak from the Career Center at the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. Today I want to introduce to you virtualvocations.com. And as soon as I take myself out of the picture, I will explain to you how to best use virtual vocations. Just like the website FlexJobs that I introduced in a previous video, this is one of only 2 of the legitimate job boards that actually charges you, unfortunately. It is legitimate, but it does charge money for the key information, namely, how can you apply? And I want to show you around the website so that you can figure out if it is worth paying for you. And everybody will have to make that decision on their own. Now let's look around. So this is what we see when we open virtualvocations.com. As I said, this website has been around for a long time. It has very good reviews, and it claims to vet every job and employer it lists. It is very easy to use. That is a definite pro of this website. There are several different ways that you can look for jobs. As you can tell right here, you can look by accounting jobs, attorney jobs, human resources, consulting. So it gives you a variety sorted by profession. Or you can put job titles in here. Let's say customer service. And then you could start searching by that, and it would give you customer service jobs. But I want to start actually here, jobs. Let's just click on jobs. And on the left side, you will see that it gives you lots of different ways to filter those jobs. Again, by job category or by remote level. Is the job 100% remote or partially remote? You can look by location, because often there are remote jobs, but the employer still wants you to live within a certain location, even though you are working from home. So you can filter by that, by state, by region, by time zone, or nationwide. You can filter by full-time or part-time. You can even filter by permanent, temp, or independent contractor. No, we do not want to sign up. So that is a very interesting feature, because maybe you're just looking for a freelance job on the side. So then you can just filter by independent contractor. You can look by employer type, staffing agency, or is it 100% virtual company? All of these are really nice and user-friendly features. So let's just choose the 100% virtual company, and it will show you all types of jobs at companies that operate 100% virtual. So now we could even go further, and let's say we're looking for editing jobs at these 100% virtual companies. And that filters it down to 5. So now we see jobs in editing that are 100% virtual with companies that only operate virtually. And now we can see remote senior medical editor. Let's click on it. And here you get a little more information. So here, this is very interesting. So you see the staff reviewed this. So the Virtual Vocations staff reviewed this job on Thursday, May 25th. I'm recording this on Friday, May 26th. So really, it is a very recent job, and it was reviewed by their staff. Here is some more information, and below a job summary. Now, for the complete job description and how to apply, that's when you will have to pay. But so you can at least see if there are jobs that fit the criteria that you're looking for. So let's return. Sometimes, if you're lucky, you will even find a job on here where it leads you to apply on their website. So then you actually don't even have to pay Virtual Vocations. You can use this to find the job and go to the company, because it will actually say the company name in in this job description. And so you could bypass virtual vocations. This is rare, but I did find a couple of those when I researched this website earlier. So this leads me to tell you, how does virtual vocations find these jobs? Well, actually, they really don't go out and solicit these job postings. Virtual Vocations is a job aggregator. That means it finds them on other sites. And to me, that is part of the annoying part of this website, to be very honest, because I found jobs on here that the aggregating software had pulled in from Indeed.com. So really, you would pay the fee for this website just to be led to Indeed and then to do the job application through Indeed.com, which if you had looked on Indeed in the first place would have been entirely free. So that leads you to the big drawback here, which is if you have the time to research these kind of jobs thoroughly, you would find a lot of the jobs listed here probably on your own without paying. But then on the flip side, if you are perfectly willing to pay for somebody else to do that legwork for you, then virtual vocations might be for you. Now, when we click on how it works, that's where you will find the pricing. They explain a little bit what they do. And here you can also see that you can create a free account. The free account will get you limited access to some jobs. But if you want access to all the information and how to apply, you will have to pay. And right here is how much it would cost you. You can monthly or 3-month or 6-month subscription. Now with that subscription, you get a little more than just access to the actual job applications. You also get access like things like these, like the blog or career services, where they have some seminars or other services like resume writing and career coaching, which, as you can see, you will have to pay extra. Again, this is on top of your subscription fee. But if we go back, there is other content available that is included in your subscription fee. And those are little webinars, kind of like how to prepare for remote job interviews, how to best do your resume for remote job interviews, and so on. To me, the big plus of this website is this tab, Companies, because here they list companies that are remote friendly, as they claim right here, and that they have researched. So this is a wonderful feature if you kind of know the industry that you want to look in. Nonprofit, for example. There are so many nonprofits. And here, when you look, there are many that you most likely have never, ever heard about. So that can be a real value add in your remote job search. So let's see, what is Open Knowledge International? You can read a little bit about them. You can get to their website, but you can find organizations to apply with that you probably would have not found another way. So in short, this part, the companies page, to me personally, is the most valuable part of this. The jobs part is if you don't want to spend much time and effort yourself and rather pay somebody else to dig up the remote jobs for you, yes, then this can work. And if you're willing to pay. But again, these are most likely jobs that you can find on other job boards and other websites for free if you are willing to invest the time and effort. Having said all that, this is a legitimate website with legitimate leads for work from home opportunities. You decide if it's worth using it for you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until our next video about work from home job boards.